Are you wondering how to transfer data from iPhone to Android? In this, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process on how to transfer files from iPhone to Android. Please remember that this guide is only intended to show you how to transfer files, like photos, videos, and other stuff from one phone to another. The easiest way to transfer files from an iPhone to an Android phone is using Google Drive. Before we begin, please be sure to have installed on both devices the Google Drive app. Usually on all Android phones, this app is installed, so let's install it on an iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for the Google Drive app. Tap on Install. Open the app. Sign into your Google account on the app. If you have multiple accounts, you can see a list of accounts. Switch on the toggle for every account you want to use on Google Drive. You can also add a new account by tapping Add Another Account. After that, tap on the Done button. On Google Drive, tap on the Files tab. Go to the folder where you want to upload files. I will just upload it in the main folder. Select Upload File. You can select photos and videos if you want to. I will use for now the Browse feature to upload some files. You see now the files. Just tap on the files you want to upload, and the system will upload it to Google Drive. After you finish, just close this window by swiping down. You can also tap again on the plus icon and select the Photos option. In this case, you will need to allow Google Drive access to your photos. Select the photos you would like to upload and then tap Upload. The drive will upload the pictures there. Now we finished the upload part. But how can we download the data to Android? Let's switch the phone. The process is quite easy. You need to open Google Drive with the same account you have used on the iPhone. You can also use different accounts, but then you need to share the folder with the email used on your Android phone. If you do not have Google Drive, just enter into Play Store and install it. On Google Drive, we already see the files on the Recent zone because there are the files we recently uploaded. We can download directly from here. We can also tap on the Files tab. This will allow us to see the full directory and files from Google Drive. To download files on your Android phone, just tap the three dots menu on the right of the file name you want to download. A menu will pop up. Tap on Download. That file will download now on your Android device. Also on the notification bar, you will see the progress of the download files. After the files are downloaded, you will receive a notification. After this, you can see the files in your download folder. And this is how you transfer data from iPhone to Android. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.